Hi, hello friends. Welcome to World Explorer India. Today, let us see how to deal an angry person. Anger is an emotion which is because of variety of reasons. It may be loss of something, or it may be insecurity, or it may be fear of losing other person or object, etc. And it may even lead to harm or damage to other person. Anger may be because of interpersonal issues, social issues, economic issues, etc. And also, it is because of some of the psychiatric diseases such as schizophrenia, bipolar affective disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, and antisocial personality disorder. And apart from this, anger may lead to violence, because of which the person may use weapons, etc., to attack, and because of which the person also enter into the legal issues. Anger is affecting person in his family as well as in his career. Males are more prone to get anger as compared to females because of the hormone, that is testosterone. And sometimes because of the disease conditions they may be having, such as Alzheimer's disease, Down syndrome, and lifelong diseases such as epilepsy, asthma, COPD, etc. Because of these diseases also the person may get aggression. And apart from this, some of the medications which we may receive during our medical illness such as dexamethasone can cause aggression. Common cause of aggression is alcohol, drugs such as LSD. Because of these drug usage, the person may get more anger. Now, whenever we are facing such persons with anger, we should be able to identify whether the opposite person is in anger or not. How we can identify is, the person with anger is always irritable, they may be making the fist, they are very restless, and they are maintaining a continued eye contact with some loud sound, etc. So if you are able to in anger, it is better for us to listen them actively, and try to ask what is the problem, identify the problem. There is a problem, try to explore the solutions and offer the solutions. Once the solution has been identified and you have given the solution, try to follow up and always be non judgmental throughout the process. And what you should not do is, you should never react in the same manner. If the other person is in anger and you are also in anger, this will provoke and it may lead to fight. So better is one person anger. Or if you are able to identify that it is because of mental illness, better to visit a psychiatrist or psychologist and get the treatment with medications and psychotherapies, etc. If it is because of addictions, better to decrease the intake of alcohol or avoid completely, or try to attend some of the rehabilitation clinics, etc., so that you can get rid of these toxic addictions which can provoke the anger. So main things which you should keep in mind is, always stay calm when you are dealing with a person with anger. And second thing is, keep the safe distance, at least 6 meters or a hand away, so that he cannot slap you. And next thing is, if you are able to identify there is a problem, try to sympathize and empathy, offer solutions, understand the problem, and try to give a solution. Even though you are not able to give solution to the problem, try to acknowledge that, or you may able to say sorry, or you may try to correct with some other offer, etc. So it is better for every person to know how to deal the person with anger. And even in workplace you should have some of the organizational policies how to deal such situations, and record such events in a record. Do like this, subscribe and comment. Thank you.